Today I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure, but instead of building a normal boat, I'm building the dumbest thing possible. Will it actually make it to the treasure? Probably not, but we're gonna keep upgrading it until either we reach the end, or everything explodes.
Today, I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure.
Okay! Shut your fucking mouth!
I'm such a good driver.
I'm gonna have to build something better.